Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Bosco Media Network. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. KHADC has not received funds under Article 275 of the Constitution since 2017-2018, says Martal Mukim. At a station parade held at Assam Regimental Centre, Happy Valley. And Office of Commandant 6th MLP BN Umran organised Run for Unity. And now the news in detail. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council has not received any financial assistance from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs under Article 275 of the Constitution since the fiscal year of 2017-2018. This was disclosed by the Executive Member in Charge Development Martal N. Mukim on the first day of the Council session. Replying to the supplementary question raised by Maukar Panthorum Kra MDC Pinchngan NCM, Mukim told the House that the Council has submitted proposal to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and it is yet to receive the fund. Meanwhile, Executive Member in Charge Town Committee Paul Lingdor informed the House that recently the Council notified the Khasi Hills Building and Structure Regularity Authority, in which 3 experts will be roped in the committee. According to him, the authority will be assigned with the task of formulating the building bylaws of the Council. Replying to a supplementary question raised by Millennium Congress MDC Ronnie V. Lingdor said the bylaws of the Council will be applicable in the tribal areas falling under the jurisdiction of the Council.
Lalu ajar beliau sejenis the amar full celebration. Number of sudah bikin orang mereka. The perlu koordinasi orang yang sesuai dengan norma mereka. Art rules pasti komen nasional. Windy reflect.
Mekanika Rishon Taksini ba lakum facilitation center
MDC Pinchngan NCM told the House that the Council has submitted a proposal to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and it is yet to receive the funds. Meanwhile, Executive Member in Charge Town Committee Paul informed the House that recently the Council notified the Khasi Hills Building and Structure Regularity Authority, in which 3 experts will be involved. According to him, the authority will be assigned to the task of formulating the building bylaws of the Council. Replying to a supplementary question raised by Millennium Congress MDC Ronnie V. Lingdor said the bylaws of the Council will be applicable in the tribal areas falling under the jurisdiction of the Council. The Shillong Traffic Police have decided to impose fine on drivers who are misusing the hazard lights as per Section 177 of the Motor Vehicle Acts. As per this section, people may have to pay fine up to ₹300 for abusing the hazard light. Primarily, the uses of hazard lights are to be used to warn other vehicles that the vehicle is a temporary obstruction, usually after a breakdown or an accident. But in Meghalaya and in many of the northeastern states, people are using the hazard lights, which they call it a double signal, to indicate of driving straight at the junction. The citizens have welcomed the decision of the police. One of the drivers said that it is only in Shillong that people are using the hazard lights for going straight. Another driver observed that Transport Department is mandated to educate people on the rules and regulations of driving and owning a vehicle under the Motor Vehicle Act. At a station parade was held at Assam Regimental Centre, Happy Valley, Shillong on 27 October 2020, in which 69 recruits took oath of affirmation. The parade was reviewed by General Officer Commanding 101 Area. The scintillating ceremony was conducted with all COVID precaution at Parson Parade Ground in the centre. In his address to the attested young soldiers, the reviewing officers extolled the virtues of selfless service to the country and recounted the contribution of the Northeast and Assam Regiment towards nation building. As part of the observance of Commemoration Day, 21st to 31st October 2020, a run for unity was organized by the Office of Commandant 6th MLP BN Umran today, the 27th October at 8 a.m. from Battalion Headquarter Umran up to Devsaw village and back 10 kilometers. There were 80 participants in all, including 15 civilians from the nearby VDPs and Rangbashnong of Umran Nyang Bernai, who were invited to join us in this Commemoration Day run.
All the best. Okay, yeah.
Let us have a glimpse of the COVID-19 updates for today. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.